Okay, so the blue arrows represent deoxygenated blood. So blood that is kind of stripped away from its oxygen after being used by the body, and instead the oxygen is replaced by like waste from the body, such as carbon dioxide and other things. But anyway, the heart really deals with the carbon dioxide part of the blood, and so the blue arrows represent that, and then the red arrows represent the oxygenated blood. So blood flows into the heart via two main veins: the inferior vena cava, which supplies blood from the bottom half of the body, and the superior vena cava, which supplies blood from the upper body, such as the arms, head, chest, all that. And all this blood is going to be collected into the right atrium, where the right atrium will then contract and send blood through the tricuspid valve and into the right ventricle. The right ventricle will then contract, which will send blood through the pulmonary semilunar valve and into the pulmonary artery. Okay, and this pulmonary artery actually splits into the right and left pulmonary artery, which sends blood into the left and right lungs. After the blood is sent into the lungs, when you exhale, you release the carbon dioxide from the blood, and when you inhale, you add oxygen to the blood, effectively oxygenating the blood. So once the blood is oxygenated, it will then be transported back into the left atrium via the pulmonary veins, left and right pulmonary veins. All this blood is going to be collected in the left atrium, where it will then pass through the mitral valve and into the left ventricle. The left ventricle will then contract and send blood through the aortic semilunar valve and into the aorta, where the blood will then be transported to the heart and all other parts of the body. Actually, the descending aorta, which is not shown in this diagram, will supply blood to the lower half of the body, whereas this brachiocephalic, left common carotid, and left subclavian arteries will supply blood into the upper body. So I thought that was a little important. But yeah, that's how blood flows through the heart. Thank you.